Just look at all of them. This is a real heavy area right here. Right there. That's real heavy. Look how many. That's a big cluster right there. A couple of big clusters. Just look at that. Look how thick it is with them. Look. Ooh, that's a real thick spot. Look at that whole spot. How thick it is with them. All those things that look like seagulls, I don't think one of them is a seagull. They ate all of them. These things need food. I don't think any of those things is a seagull. They just can take any shape they want. Just look at that concentration right there on that thing. I can't even tell what the thing is, but it looks like a bush or a tree. And just look at there's a single cluster. But look at this bush right here. Look at all of that. That's the bottom. And this here is up on top. Look. Just look at how thick that is. And how much. And there's that thing that everybody said it was not orbs. There's a reflection. Check it out. Check it out. This is your reflection. There's no sun out now. I'm going to back off to show you that's what that is. Okay, there it is. When I was saying they're on the roof, check it out. Check out the roof. There's absolutely no sun right now. And it's not my camera that's shaking. That's them teleporting so fast that they're creating a disturbance in the matrix, in the three-dimensional matrix. And they're creating a disturbance. You can see them teleporting. And the whole area of that roof there is packed with them. Just packed with them. They're in rows like a bunch of watermelons all over that roof. And I'm just gonna go down here to show that it's them. It's the fog they create is so thick because it's all of them. You can see that it's them teleporting. And they're really going fast today. Faster than the other day I filmed them. You could barely see them, but there's so many of them. They just create a steady stream of very fast moving orbs. And you see how everything shakes? My camera is not moving at all. That's them disturbing the matrix of the three-dimensional reality over in that area, and creating a fluctuation of time-space because they're moving so fast. They're creating a disturbance in time-space, and that's why that shake is. That's why I can never get a still image. This camera is set for dynamic balance control, and there shouldn't be any movement at all. And when you shoot at normal things, there is no movement at all. Only when you shoot at them, you get this shake. And that's because they have a pulse. This is their vibrational frequency today. It's very high. So every time you see the thing shake, that's when there's like a jitter. in the frequency, and they kick it off and start it over, and then it runs smooth for a little bit, then they have a kink, and then they kick it off and start over. Okay, the sun's coming out. Let's see if the fog changes. Look, the fog just got thicker, and it's bright and sunny right now. Look how thick the fog is. There goes one. You can't even see. You can't even see through the fog in bright sunshine. And that's what I was talking about all last year. I was saying there's an unnatural fog here in Toronto. There's an unnatural fog here in Toronto. And this is it. It's them. There's so many of them in the air that they're creating a disturbance in the three-dimensional matrix and causing a ripple in time-space, and that's what that shake is. It's the ripple in time-space continuum because of their fast movement. And look at them all on the roof. Okay, the sun went down because it's partly cloudy, so now there's no sun at all. Look at them all on the roof. Okay? That's no reflection now. That's them. That's them. I'm going to get the other camera and film this to show that it's them. I'm going to reset the other camera different so that it'll show that it's really them. But look at how foggy it is. And the fog is strictly just all of them. Look. That's no fog at all. It's a biomass. Okay, look at the. You can tell that there are orbs all over it, but it's very hard to see because of all the biomass that's just plain in the air, and the whole area is infested. You know, it's probably like that over here where I am. I'm not that far from there, and let me see if I can see anything on the lake. Today it's so thick with fog. As soon as I make a video, they correct the situation. These things are very bright. Look how foggy they made the whole area. I was able to get pictures because I wasn't taking videos for 9 months. So they didn't think they had to worry about me. Now that they know I'm back, look what they do. They create a fog you can't see through. And it's fog of them. They're the fog. I mean, that's unbelievable. So this is how many of them there are there. Look. Here's a big cluster. Here's a big cluster of the black ones. Hold on a minute. This is like a nest. I gotta get that right on. Sorry about the movement. It's not easy to adjust just in one spot to this magnification when I get that one spot. Okay, that's a nest. There it is right there. Even through the fog, there's a little orb cluster. You see it? But look, even through the fog. You can see them even through the fog. And they've created that fog just so I can't take pictures. I know what they're doing. They're trying to prevent me from seeing what's going on. But it's not going to stop me.